Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you new heroes chapter is on. How to challenge King Kanu chapter of heroes event in FC Mobile. Before we start, made this video for beginner new to this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started. The news update for today, the new heroes chapter, King Kanu, Wangko Kanu. A new hero arises. He's known for having all the qualities for great rulers, and calling the pitch is his kingdom. Earning the nickname King Kanu, earn hero Wangko Kanu in the new hero chapter. Let's tap the campaign. And let's jump into the last chapter, the newest chapter. This is the King Kanu, aka Wangko Kanu. So he's from Nigeria. In this chapter, all you have to do is collect this fragment and earn the reward. So you need red, green, purple, blue, and violet to earn the Heroes Reward Path Premium King Kanu logo, and also the King Kanu itself. Or you can claim Mascherano for rank up your player, and also mixed version player. OVR between 90 and 97. So you can get the fragment from here. You can engage in skill games or matches to gather all fragments of each stone. The blue one is wisdom fragment. You can play skill game, and then tag fragment. You can play this also skill games and match game. The green one and the blue one, and the last is the red one. So good luck, challenge yourself in this new chapter, King Kanu. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the next button below. Enjoy the game.